Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn all about music licensing, monetizing your music through licensing opportunities. Let us get started. First, introduction to music licensing. What is music licensing? Music licensing is the process of granting permission to use a song or composition in a commercial project. Definition: music licensing allows third parties to legally use your music in their media projects. In monetization opportunity, licensing is one of the most lucrative ways for independent artists to earn. Next, types of music licensing. Synchronization license. A sync license allows music to be paired with visual media like films, TV shows, advertisements, or video. Definition: the license to synchronize music with visual content. Usage: common in films, TV shows, video games, and commercials. Mechanical license. Master use license. Now, how to contact music supervisors. Who are music supervisors? Music supervisors are professionals responsible for selecting music for films, TV shows, video games, and role. Music supervisors act as gatekeepers, selecting the right music for a given project. Connection. Building relationships with music supervisors is essential for landing sync deals, crafting the perfect pitch, following up professionally. Then, submitting your music for licensing. How to submit to music licensing platforms and libraries. Choose the right platform. Research platforms and libraries that match your music style and target audience. Create high-quality tracks. Make sure your music is professionally mixed and mastered before submitting. Follow submission guidelines. Each platform or library has specific submission rules. Follow them carefully. Moving on, types of platforms and music libraries. Exclusive versus non-exclusive libraries. Exclusive libraries offer unique agreements, meaning your music can only be licensed through their exclusive, higher payout per sync but limited to one platform. Non-exclusive, broader reach but lower individual payouts. Popular licensing platforms. MusicBed, a high-quality platform for film and commercial licensing. The role of agencies in music licensing. Almost there. Frequently asked questions. How are licensing fees determined? Usage. How the music will be used. For example, background music in a TV show versus a feature film. Duration. How long the music will be used. For example, a 30-second clip versus a full song. Can I license cover songs? What happens after my music is licensed? So, that wraps up music licensing. Put this course into practice today. Explore more courses in the Academy. Keep building your music business. Remember, art means business.